Voices in the crowd, they echo so loud, repeating words that sound so proud. Feathers bright, but hearts so dim, mimicry without no truth within. They sing the songs, they know the lines, but empty words can't change the times. Imitating what they see, but there's no fire, no real belief. Like parrots in cages, they speak what they hear, but in their hearts of hearts, there's nothing sincere. No depth, no root, just hollow praise. They follow the wind, lost in the days. Lord, give us hearts that truly see, not just voices that merely speak. Let our faith be more than a puppet display. Let our service be more than what parrots say. Colors that fade, sounds that deceive, a shallow faith that won't believe. They preach the words, but where's the deed? A faith of ease, but not of need. Lord, you see beyond the mask, you know the heart behind the task. Strip away what isn't true, reveal in us the work of you. Like parrots in cages, they speak what they hear, but in their hearts of hearts, there's nothing sincere. No depth, no root, just hollow praise. They follow the wind, lost in the days. Lord, give us hearts that truly see, not just voices that merely speak. Let our faith be more than a puppet display. Let our service be more than what parrots say. Echoes in the air, we wanna serve with hearts laid bare. No mimicry, no borrowed song, just genuine love where we belong. Teach us, Lord, to be sincere, to follow you without the fear. Let our lives be more than words, a melody that's truly heard. Like parrots in cages, they speak what they hear, but in their hearts of hearts, there's nothing sincere. No depth, no root, just hollow praise. They follow the wind, lost in a daze. Lord, give us hearts that truly see, not just voices that merely speak. Let our faith be more than a puppet display. Let our service be more than what parrots say. No more echoes, no more disguise. Let our faith be true. Let our spirits rise in every word, in every deed. A life of service planted like a seed.